Update. So we're at my place right now. Say hi, Kara.
Hey.
And I should have filmed our shopping. Don't mind my hair, but I should have filmed our shopping, but I didn't because we were showing the moment. Kara's here to help me get my place sorted out, and also we're going to barbecue. Kara's going to make a honey barbecue flavor something.
My meat for them.
Yeah, he's gonna grill his meat. And we're gonna taste some brownies. I got some rum choco brownies from the rum bars, brownie bar. So let's see what Kara says. We're gonna taste test it. Those brownies got really sticky, but they look good and chocolatey. But most of the time I have a positive experience with the brownie bar, so that's why I've been taking brownies from them for years now. That's going yummy. Saw the brownies and how sticky and caramelized they were. Now Kara's going to taste test them and let us know what he thinks about the rum choco brownies. Are you feeling tipsy yet?
Alcohol is part of my blood.
Wow, okay, fine. What's the review?
Oh, it's good. The chocolate's nice. The rum hits nice too.
Nicely balanced.
Indeed.
1 out of 10.
I'll give this a 9.5.
Awesome. Based on myself, and he's right, it does taste good. Rum chocolate. Compliments to the baker. Still has everything hooked up already, as you guys can see. That's also one of the reasons why Kara is here to help us, because we're gonna wash the entire building.
Ano knockcraft ako?
Filmed it earlier, but I didn't want to get wet. Look at how still got all that gunk out, because these stairs were really filled with dirt. Yeah, should. Not a bad idea. Siyempre, still kung ang badrive ni mom dito dun, and still was like, I can do it myself. No. Yeah, I'm gonna make still do that one too.
That is a mess.
Ginawa ka bro, kidir middle na nga project pumikasan. Huh? Feels like I'm saving my expensive project. I'm only using the cheap ones. Film play, but I was just shocked by how dirty and black that water was. Apparently, this place has been collecting dust for a while. Guys, look at all the dirt. And like he already went over it a couple of times. Look at all the dirt that came out. And that's not even everything. The water now is like really black. Kara says before and after. It's really nice cleaned. The cleaning, Kara is just grilling.
Putting my meat on the grill.
Yeah, we added the fennel sauce that we bought at the store, and later he's gonna add the honey barbecue sauce. But it got seasoned nice, still
Just
seasoned.
like om de minuut flippen zodat die temperatuur een beetje chillt.
Yeah.
Smells good though.
Yeah, it smells really good. I was just
It
going
does
to
smell
say
good.
that. You can really smell that.
Yeah, the coals still need to settle down.
In a very fine piano you have.
Yeah.
Hey, water para.
Okay, maybe that's going to be the next third time adventure now, as Kara is talking about, because he wants to go swimming. Oh, this smells so good, you guys, and it looks great too. So maybe next time you'll see us at Piano Water Park, bunch of grown dogs.
Okay. It's time.
Grill Master Kara. He's always the victim
Wow.
of barbecuing for us. What? It's true, and all the years we know each other.
Grill my meat.
Yeah. You the meat griller, aka the meatloaf griller.
It's getting there.
It looks so yum. And this is the sauce that Kara got. Beating it with
The mix. The barbecue mix sauce. The improved version.
the one with the garlic sauce.
One with the garlic.
Ah, yeah, the garlic.
Yeah.
Please tell me that I can't